is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day. Tom takes your phone calls toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Let's go to our man Dave in Clearwater. Hey, Dave, Happy New Year. What's happening, man?
Happy New Year to you, my brother. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great, man. How you been?
I am doing well, man. I'm doing well. Can I throw a quote out at you?
Sure.
In the market, somebody knows something. Someone always knows something. That statement was made by a great trader by the name of Tom O'Brien about 6-7 years ago.
Oh, yeah?
And it kind of hit me like a brick. You're right. Somebody always knows something.
Hey, Carlos, what's going on, brother?
I'm calling you back, Tom. This morning I had the pleasure to talk to you and your son, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to talk to you again.
Well, I think you made some money on this bond.
Oh, yes, Tom. Your newsletter helped me.
That's a beautiful thing. We appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night. And it's a TGIF, folks. We're going to make it a great one. Happy birthday to all the Marines out there. And, of course, a happy Veterans Day to everyone out there. Love has no obligations or expectations. When you love, whatever you do because you want to do it. It becomes a pleasure. It's a game, and you have fun with it. When you love, you don't expect something to happen. Whatever happens is okay, and hardly anything disappoints you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 34, NASDAQ up 4, S&P's up 3.5, gold contract down $11.80, trading at $12.75 an ounce. Silver down 8 cents, $16.89 an ounce. Oil off 33 cents, $56.84 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 16 ticks, 124.22. 30-year bond off a full point, plus 20 ticks, 152.08. King dollar up 82 ticks, trading at 94.270. The euro is trading at 116.75 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We're going to look at the weeklies, folks, because bottom line, what you're going to see in the weekly, you're at highs. The cash S&P right now is trading 25.82. Bottom line, you had a high out there last week, closing high of 25.87. You must be you're right at the high. We go into the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials setting up really the same way. You're down $35 out here today. We did have a high out here this week of 28,607. You put this on a weekly, and you're going to see kind of laid out the same way. You know, the last week, the range was from 23,327 to 23,557, and we're at 23,427. You can see right in the middle of that range this week. Russell 2000, a little bit different on the Russell. Now, we take a look at the Russell. What you're going to see with the Russell is that right now we're up 2 points. You're at 1477. Now, this is where the much larger difference comes in on the weekly. The Russell had the high out here of 1514, the week of the 6th of October, and right now you're at 1477. So bottom line is that is getting into the bar from the week of the 29th of September. If we go take a look at this and we put this on a weekly basis, because we'll be able to line up the volumes right beside it. What you're going to see out here is that when we broke topside, you broke topside with us 175 million. We are pushing into that with 128. So you are pushing into it with lighter volume. That being said, you're in the bar. You're in the bar by about 2 points. So that is saying the probability is pretty good. You're going to go down to 143.69, which is where the small caps broke topside from the week of the 29th of September. Gold contract. Hey, there we go. Check it out, folks. Okay, gold contract. This is pretty cool. So you had to sell inside the futures market this morning, folks, at 11 o'clock this morning. You had the sell was for 40,000 contracts. Well, 40,000 contracts, folks. Each contract is 100 ounces. That's bottom line, 4 million ounces. 4 million ounces at gold at $12.75 is approximately $5 billion. Now, the amazing part is that the gold market could take it. It's hard to even comprehend. But bottom line, guess what? You only had a price downdraft of $10, and you got a $5 billion with a C, with a B rather, sell. And, you know, you just don't know who did sell it. There's going to be plenty of speculation, I suspect, over the weekend. You know, bottom line, I'd say that the biggest speculation is actually not so much who sold it, who bought it. Who's sitting there with that kind of, there's plenty of bids sitting there. That's the bottom line, which is pretty amazing. And I do expect as you go through the weekend, we'll also have plenty of speculation as to who was that seller. And was that seller hedged that as, you know, for something else, or in fact, that's right, or in fact, there's someone out of the Middle East that needs cash ASAP to basically get out of hot water, or get out of the Ritz-Carlton, which is the jail over in Saudi Arabia right now. One of our tigers is coming up with a nice concept. There's no doubt it only takes $133 million in margin to sell $4 billion worth of gold contracts, and there's no doubt about that. The key on that, of course, on the other side of it, is that it takes that much also to buy it on the other side. So bottom line is that it's a monster trade, and the market took it, ate it, and spit it out. That's the real bottom line. So it's pretty cool. That's really bullish. That's my take, folks. Silver down 8 cents right now, trading $16.99. And silver market, they've done 18,000 contracts. 18,000 contracts right now is coming against, I believe, some big numbers actually. Well, yeah, I see what's going on. SIZ. I got to go. We're rolling contracts now, so I'm going to go right back to the December for a second. That did 89,000 contracts, and that's rolling against 102, I think. 122. Yeah, so that's rolling against 122. Not bad. 10-year note. Let's go take a look at the 10-year note out here. 10-year note trading 1.28 million contracts on the way down. Now, bottom line is that this is going to get tested next week once again, because it's lighter volume than it's going into. You do have an expansion of volume. You know, yesterday we stopped pushing down with 1.6 million contracts. Today you were 1.28. You're going into 2 million contracts. The high of the one of the lows of the week of the 27th of October was 124.24. Right now you're at 124.22. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. You have the Dow Industrials right now down 31. NASDAQ is up 2. S&Ps are off 350. Coming right back, folks.
Hi, folks. This is